On today's episode, I'm repairing the bedside of a Dodge Ram.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the cone. This ain't a persona. I do this for real.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 115 of Inside the Body Shop. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a good one. Feels like a Monday to me, but that's okay. Here we are. Let's get to it. First thing this morning when I got to the shop, I had a Dodge Ram getting a pretty large bedside repair. Now, I'm using some new tools in this episode, as well as some different techniques with taping body lines in order to make body lines in a bunch of different ways. So stay tuned on this episode. You'll see a bunch of different tricks that I use in repairing and doing body filler work and straightening stuff. So stay tuned. If you have any questions, I'm not going to go in depth into any of it right here, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'm happy to jump in as soon as I have time to respond, and I'm sure other people will be able to help you out as well. So stay tuned and leave the questions in the comments. After I finished that up and got it primed up, I dove into a Subaru Outback getting a quarter panel and door repair. Got the metal work done on that one. It'll be ready for filler first thing in the morning. That was my day today. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you do, click that share button. I greatly appreciate it. So thank you guys, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Check out my day. All right, first one of the day. I got a repair on the bedside of a Dodge Ram. Pushed in right through here and sucked it all in up in this area. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working that out and get that all fixed up. right, on to the next one. I have a Subaru Forester. Just has some door damage here and the quarter panel across here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working the metal out on this one. Alright, I about have the metal work done on this one. Came out really nice. I'm going to fit up the bumper in the morning to make sure this line is correct. And as long as that's good, it'll be ready for fill. But that's a wrap for the day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
I stay putting in that work.